Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Super excited to share with you today. We actually got something new for the good old 2014 here that I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Wanted to do a quick unboxing, installation, and just kind of overall review of my opinions on this product. Because so far, I really love it. I really love it. It's helped simplify things in a super simple way that you'd have never thought about. But once you have it, you never want to go back. So what we've got here for the Silverado is the OttoCast. So before we unbox it, let me explain to you guys what this is real quick. So if you guys have a vehicle that has CarPlay or Android Auto, and it doesn't have to be a Silverado, just if your stereo has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you know every time that you get in that you have to plug in a Lightning USB cable. It's super annoying. I never really thought about it, but it is. It's really annoying. Every time that I get into this vehicle, I usually carry my phone in my pocket, and if I want that functionality of Apple CarPlay on my truck, I have to take it out of my pocket and plug it in every single time. And sometimes, you know, if I'm feeling lazy, I can just let it hook up to the Bluetooth of my truck. But I really, really like Apple CarPlay. It works smooth, flawless, seamless. I just hate having to plug it in. Well, that's where the OttoCast comes in. So OttoCast reached out to us and they said, hey, you want to try out our product? We'll send this to you. And I said, yeah, let's check this out. I want to see what wireless CarPlay is about. And that's what this little adapter does, is it makes your phone wireless. So you can actually use CarPlay in your vehicle without having to dig it out of your bag, your pocket, whatever you carry it in. This does a trick work right here, and it works flawless. So let's do a quick unboxing. So the OttoCast itself comes in a plain cardboard box, much like you might expect. Small, discreet packaging. Open it up and boom, right there is the OttoCast. So let's go ahead and pull this guy out. It comes, you can see, in like some plastic wrap, which I've already cut open just because I wanted to try the product out for myself and see how it worked. But the box is very nice. There's a little bit of information about the company right here if you need. But like I say, I've already cut it open. Let's go ahead and open it up. You can see right there it says Android Auto and Apple CarPlay 2-in-1 wireless adapters. So if I open the lid, you can see right on top, looking at us, we've got the OttoCast. You can see this is just a small little adapter, dongle, whatever you want to call it. Here's a reference, size of my hand. And I've got pretty small hands too. This, it's super simple and seamless. And installation's even more simple than what you might realize. So it's got USB-C on one side. That's the actual in port where it connects to your vehicle. And then on the other side, it has a pass-through for USB. That way, if you didn't want to lose that port and still want to have that functionality to plug in a lightning cable, USB cable for charging your device, you can still do that. And then it's got a couple of indicator lights you can see here on the device itself. But you can see it's a well-designed little device here that you can tuck away in most cases. And you can see we got some foam padding both on here and here. We've got a user manual that shows you exactly how to use the device, its functionality, and I won't read this entire thing to you guys, but it tells about the interfaces, how to connect it, how to use CarPlay, even as much as some troubleshooting as well for firmware updates and whatnot. You can actually do firmware updates. So that was encouraging to me to see that they're offering firmware updates. It tells you that they're around to stay and troubleshoot issues if you have it. And then at the bottom of the box here, we've got some USB cables. You got to have those, right, to connect the device. So it comes with a traditional USB style, the USB-C here, as well as USB-C to USB-C. I will say it is preferred if you can, and your car supports it, use the USB-C to USB-C if you can. However, my truck does not, so we are not going to end up using this cable. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck it back in the box. And we will use this instead. So in my particular application, these are the only two things I need to go ahead and set up wireless CarPlay for my vehicle, as well as, of course, your cell phone. So the installation of the device is super easy. You got to know where your USB ports are that support the Apple CarPlay functionality. I know that mine are in this middle console here. Excuse the mess here, guys. As you can see, I've got two ports right here. Both of these ports accept CarPlay. So I take one end of my USB cable and plug it in like so. Take the other end and plug into the USB side of the OttoCast. So, okay, so if I want to know that it's plugged in and working appropriately, what I can do is sit right here and turn my key into the on position. And I'll close my door so you guys don't get that awful chime. And once we're in here, you're going to see the OttoCast itself has a blue light on it. So I'm just going to let the AutoCast sit here for right now. And now I'm going to record on my iPad and show you guys on my iPhone exactly what I'm doing to make this guy work. So you can see on my stereo itself, it's popped up with this, but we need to do something on my cell phone to actually make it work. So what I'm going to do on my cell phone is, of course, unlock it. I'm going to go to settings. And once I'm in settings, I'm just looking for Bluetooth. I'll tap on that. And I'm going to see, it's going to look for it. And it's going to see Otto 5883. So I'm going to tap that. Make it connect. So that way Bluetooth is rolling on my phone here. So you can see I tapped it and it's wanting to pair it. So I'm going to hit pair. And then I want to allow it to sync my contacts. I'm okay with that. Cool. So now we've got it synced there. So you can see now I got a pop-up that says use CarPlay. So I'm going to hit use CarPlay and boom, just like that, you're done on your phone. Now my phone is actually connected via CarPlay and Apple CarPlay is already set up here. So I'm going to switch back over to my phone. So I'm going to pick up my iPad here to show you guys. So you can see nothing connected to my phone at all. And I've got CarPlay up here. It works. It works flawless. And you can see the device here now has a blinking blue light as well. And I believe that lets us know that the device is connected. So for all intended purposes, I can literally tuck this away. You can see it's nice and clean in there. My phone itself can, oops, if I can hold on to it, it can be turned off. It can stay in my pocket, or we'll just set it there for now. And you can see CarPlay's rolling right here. You can see it works flawless. I mean, I can roll right through everything. I can go to my settings. You can see everything here. Wallpapers, all that. I mean, it works absolutely flawless. And another nice thing I like about this is it actually shows your battery life. So if you were a little short on battery life, you could plug your device in and charge it up. And mentioning battery life, just as I mentioned earlier, it does have that pass-through port. So if I needed to charge my device, I could actually take this out, plug in my USB to it, plug in my iPhone, you'll see, whoop, it started charging there. And then I can unplug it again whenever I'm ready to go somewhere and I'm good to go. Simple as that. So guys, I've been rocking this product for at least a week now, and I've used it every day on my commute back and forth to work, just really anywhere that I go, sitting in this vehicle, and it really does work flawless. I mean, I hop in, and as you saw, the whole pairing process at the beginning, that's a one and done deal. Once you're done with that, I can literally hop in my truck and turn my key on, and in about 10 seconds, I've got CarPlay. Leaving my phone in my pocket, the little icon just pops up on my stereo. You can see right there, CarPlay. I tap that, and then I've got CarPlay ready to rock. So it works flawless. Audio quality is good. I haven't had any, so far it's worked flawless. I haven't had any issues with connectivity dropping in or out. Music quality is just the same as if it's plugged in. It's literally as if the device is plugged in. I haven't experienced any stutters, any issues whatsoever. So this is a really solid product, and anybody out there that's looking for something like this, I would highly recommend getting it. I didn't realize I even wanted it until I had it installed in my vehicle, and now I don't know that I could live without it. We may have to purchase one for the old 2004 Silverado over there, because we're actually getting ready to put a new stereo in it with some CarPlay action as well. So I'm going to get spoiled on this one, not having to plug my iPhone in every single time I get in. Well, guys, as you can see here, it works flawless, but if that still doesn't have you convinced, it has a 1-year warranty backing it. So if you have any issues, AutoCast is going to take care of you in respect to that. They've got a great support team that'll help you out with any questions that you may have about the product in and of itself. Even like I say, it's got the ability to update firmware if you need to. So through your phone, it has the ability to connect to the internet in order to help troubleshoot the device. So it really is a solid product, well thought out. It works great. But if you were to have some sort of weird random issue, they're there to help. All right, guys, I'm definitely going to be leaving a link down below. Big thanks to AutoCast for sending this product out for us to try. I really love it. So guys, help them out. I encourage you to look at the link down below to their website so you can take a look at this particular product here. And go ahead, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and order you one. All right, guys, if you have any questions, use the comments down below and I'll get back with you. Be glad to answer any questions that you may have about this particular product. All right, guys, until the next video, take care.